Hi there, welcome to Imran kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make the lamb rogan josh. How I make at restaurant. Today I am going to share with you. So little it is like a medium spice. Today I am going to make little bit extra spicy. And I already preheated the oil for the 6 tablespoon. We are going to make with the mustard oil. So oil is already ready. Now I will put the onion. This is 3 medium size onion slice. We need to fry the onion until it is brown. We have to brown it. It will take at least 10 minutes to brown it. We need to add some garam masala. This is 2 black cardamom and 5 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick. I already broke it, and 2 bay leaves and 4 green cardamom and 10 green pepper. Black pepper. So have to mix it. The onion is almost golden brown. Now this stage we will put this is 700 gram lamb, boneless. So we need to continue fry another 10 minutes the meat. You need to continue stir it, and you can take a break because it's on medium heat. You can take a break for 1 minute, then continue stir it. Then it will give you the nice taste, nice flavor for rogan josh. You need to work hard a little bit for this dish. So it has been frying for the last 10 minutes. So I'll give you the tips. Any meat, if you like mostly red meat, when you cook it, before you cook you have to fry like this. What happened, any kind of smells is go away, and it will also give you the nice taste. So now next step, we'll put this is 4 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. So have to fry it again 2 minutes. So it has been frying for the last 2 minutes for the ginger garlic paste. Now I will put the 1.5 teaspoon salt as taste. You have to mix it. You have to cook another 1 minute. Now I will put the rest of the spice. This is 2 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 tablespoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala and half teaspoon turmeric powder. We'll mix it. Some people they put the kashmiri chili powder like a dry one. So today I am going to make, I already made the paste. This is like a 10 regular red chili and 2 Kashmiri chili. I already soak it for 3 hours in the hot water. Now I grind it. So I am making, this is like a half cup of chili paste, and I am making little spicy one. We'll mix it, and also it will give you the nice color because of the Kashmiri chili also add. I already added. So you need to fry another 5-6 minutes. This is 2 fresh tomato. I already make the puree. So now time to add the puree. So we'll cook it another 5 to 6 minutes. Tomato is raw. You need to cook it 5 to 6 minutes at least on medium heat. So next step, we'll put some spices. This is half cup of yogurt, and I will put some pinch of ginger powder, dry one, and pinch of saffron, and pinch of cardamom powder, green cardamom, and also half teaspoon fennel seeds powder and half teaspoon kasturi methi leaves. Crush it and mix it well. So now we'll put it in the meat. Basically this is a little bit extraordinary dish, so you need to be patient. You will get the result and you will enjoy this dish. You need to cook another 3 to 4 minutes. So now time to cook the 2 cup of water, because we need to cook it. We need a water, and then later it will be reduced when it's already cooked. There will be one last step I will show you later when meat is cooked. So this is on medium heat. We need to put in the low medium, then cover it for at least 40 minutes and see you after 40 minutes. So lamb has been cooking for the last 1 hour 10 minutes. It's already done. I already checked it. So now you can see there is some rogan on top. So Rogan Josh mean has to be little bit oily, red oily. So I already preheated the oil. Oil is on medium heat, so we need to do the finalize. So this is called Ratan Jodh in our language, and English is called alternate roots. So when oil is warm up, and then you can put some this one. It will be release the color. For the Rogan Josh, you need the Rogan like this kind of color. So we need to add this one on the gravy. This is give you the color, that's why it's called Rogan Josh. Rogan Josh has to be a little bit red color and it's look beautiful, and you can see the consistency of the gravy has to be like this, not too runny, not too thick. And thank you for watching Imran Kitchen, and see you on next recipe.